Iwemie dene today's lesson. Eniawo tutu no kebe notin. Names of insects in Edo language. Atete, grasshopper. Edon, termites. Ikia, housefly. Udia, tsetsefly. Asele, crickets. Akpakpa, spider. Imwe, mosquito. Eyi, ants. Ogogo, beetle. Emunemune, fireflies. Ekpakpawanga, scorpion. Iru, bedbug or louse. Ogolobianye, praying mantis. Ekparuru, wasp. Iriso, locust. Eheme, cockroach. Owebe, centipede. Owe abalame, dragonfly. Asaka, sodia ant. Enwinwa, tick. Eriaria, sandfly. Afiakoi, nectar ant. Iame, tiny ant. Ariupa, moth. Iyun okologbo, millipede. Ehunhun, gnats. Owon, bee. Ahwakwinsan, dung beetle. Ije, mites. Ugboriri, agbohoho, hornets. Azigo, stag beetle. Elabalaba, erunria, butterfly. Etebetebe, water strider. Wala o waga wemina, nuware lelima wugana, wahia wesi. Please share this video so others can learn and do well to subscribe. Thank you.